Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this transporter panel van Highline. It is the long wheelbase model and it comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, and it's finished in the stunning Ravener blue metallic paintwork. Taking a look at a few of your exterior features, on the front of the vehicle you'll find your automatic headlights providing brilliant visibility. It also comes with excellent styling such as the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels finished in the contrast silver. And around to the rear you'll find the parking camera there in the centre as well as parking sensors below, aiding in manoeuvring. Into the rear space you've got the barn style opening doors with a sliding side door on the passenger side. You've got lashing rings for load restraint on the floor as well, and plenty of space. Inside the front you'll find on the driver's door the 2 electric windows and the heated and folding door mirror controls. Lights are down to the right behind the steering wheel there, and you've got spacious 3 cloth seats here with the manual adjustment. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter as well as volume on the left, and next and back buttons on the right for your media system. You've also got the digital cockpit screen controls as well, allowing you to flick through the options on here including audio, telephone, vehicle status and driving data. Onto the main media system you'll find plenty of media including AM, FM and DAB digital radio, as well as the SD card reader, USB connectivity and Bluetooth audio. You can use the latter as well for hands-free calling when on the go, keeping you connected. Under app you'll find the App Connect function, allowing you to integrate your smartphone via USB and make use of some of its applications directly through the media screen. You have parking sensors as well with the diagram there, providing you a clear view when manoeuvring, and of course you do have that reversing camera view with the parking guidelines behind to line up into spaces. Moving down from here is your climate controls, nice and simple to use, as well as the heated front windscreen on the right. 6-speed manual gear stick in the centre, and to the left you've got your cup holder, 12 volt and 2 USBs. For more information, visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.